Oh. Let's begin. Take the first one out, Kaiden.
What?
Welcome to Kaiden's Garage, true believers. What's the first one? What's this one?
Wait, there.
We got the orange Inferno Gravedigger.
No.
Next one.
The tower.
Turn around. Okay then. What's the next one that we got? Was this one?
Okay.
What?
This one.
What is it?
Wait, burger.
That's right, Blue Thunder that we've got taped up because Kaiden's broke it. This is the first one you ever got, wasn't it?
First one.
The very first one that you got.
It's tower.
Oh, we'll keep them all that way. Next one. Who we got next?
Team Hot Wheels.
Team Hot Wheels.
Team Hot
It's a
Wheels.
nice looking truck. It's got the teeth at the front, spoiler at the back.
Like a back.
Kind of looks like a
Like
Ford F-250 or something like that.
me.
Yeah. Next one. What do we got? Ah, Max D.
Nasty.
One of the most classic champions in all of Monster Jam history. Was it? It's even. Was it yellow? Alternate cover one with the 11-time champion on the front. Yellow and black. Can't go wrong. Alright, next one, mate. What do we got? What's this one? Illuminator. Illuminator without all the roll cage in it because Kaiden's smashed it all up. What's this one? Captain's Curse. Is it Captain's Curse? No, this one's called Pirate's Curse. I don't know why they changed it. Who's this one? Zombie. Kaiden likes to get Play-Doh around here and make Play-Doh zombie arms. Yep. Who's this one? Higher Education. I don't think anybody likes this truck. It's pretty boring. Very boring, in fact. El Toro Loco, one of the crappy models from Macca's Happy Meals. What's this one? I think this is the regular Max D. Pretty similar to the yellow one, but the yellow one has more flared out spikes. And the yellow one, the model looks better.
This one.
But the grey one does have flames.
What is this one?
But the grey one's more kind of looks like the Team Mints.
Team Mints?
Team Mints one. This one says it's a decade of destruction, so maybe this is a 10th anniversary one. Avenger with the silver body. I think the green body looks better. But the Avenger ones you don't really come across that often. Next one. Shark Wreck. This is a nice looking truck. It'd be good to get hold of the Megalodon one, which has only been released this year. I think the Megalodon one's actually a real truck that tours around as of 2017. What do you reckon, Kaiden? Yep.
This one.
Who's this one?
Batman!
Batman! As you can see, Batman's all taped up. Because once again, Kaiden's broken it. Okay, we'll put it down there. There we go. Alright, next one. Who else we got?
Dragon!
Your turn? Good job, high five. This is a green dragon. We saw this one when we were at Monster Jam for your birthday. That was pretty cool.
Dog!
It's not a dog. What is this one? Mega Rex! Mega Rex. Another pretty cool truck. Tail comes off.
Turn out.
Lost it a few times, the tail, as we found it.
Iron Man.
Iron Man! Iron Man is pretty average average at best looking truck. Paint job's alright. But I think the actual truck now was the alien invasion with a few little slight modifications to the rear end. Next one. Next one out of the box. What's in the box?
America.
Captain America. It's not a bad truck. It's got the old Captain America comic book font on there, which is kind of cool. Don't think it's an actual. The body, I don't think it's an actual real car or truck. Next one. Mohawk Warrior. Alright looking car. Well, alright because it has the Mohawk. If it didn't have the Mohawk, it'd be pretty boring looking Escalade. I think it's an Escalade. We don't get Escalades here in Australia. Soldier Fortune. It's kind of a bit weird that they don't have Soldier of Fortune. It's just Soldier Fortune. It's kind of strange. I don't think this one came with the gun turret on top. They're very warthog looking from the Halo game series, which is pretty cool. Anyway, next one. Monster Mutt the Rottweiler. Probably the best looking Monster Mutt out of all the Monster Mutts. Next one. King Crunch with the black and purple looks pretty cool. I think it could be a Suburban. Don't know. Next one. Another dragon. Don't really need to tell you much more about that one. Last, not least, Superman. I'm sure Kaiden will show you how the cape moves. Move the cape. Yeah, move the cape. There you go. Oh, what an excellent extra feature. Movable cape. I'm pretty sure there's some missing. I'm certain that you're missing some trucks here. I'll just go. And that's all of Kaiden's Monster Jam trucks. Tune in next time, true believers. Kaiden's Garage, signing out.